What if your headphones didn't just play music, but became a stage for your creativity? Introducing the OneOdio StudioMax1 wireless DJ headphones, where vision meets vibration and technology meets soul. Crafted in collaboration with Italy's top 5 DJ, Ariana, this isn't just another audio gadget. This is a flagship audio experience, a tool engineered for DJs, streamers, sound designers, creators, and anyone who craves sonic perfection. Let's see what's in the box. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxing. Inside the box, StudioMax1 headphones, sleek, matte black, iconic brushed aluminum finish, gold-plated 1/4 to 1/8 screw-in adapter for studio-grade hardware, premium carry pouch, protect your gear on the go, quick start manual, your entry into audio mastery. From the moment you open the box, you know this isn't ordinary. The StudioMax1 features 0.02 seconds, 20 milliseconds, ultra-low latency, powered by WiL plus wireless technology, 20 times faster than traditional Bluetooth, typically around 400 milliseconds. Whether you're mixing live, playing mobile games, or producing a podcast, instant audio feedback keeps you in sync, in the groove, and in control. No delay, no disconnection, no limits. With support for Sony LDSC at 990 kilobits per second, you get up to 3 times the data throughput of standard SBC Bluetooth codecs. That means deeper bass that rumbles with clarity, crisper mids that preserve vocals and instruments, sharper highs that cut through with detail. A soundstage so wide, you'll feel like you're in the room with the artist. Bass mode on demand. Feel like intensifying the beat? Just double tap the circle button to trigger EQ bass mode and unleash a surge of pulsating, club-ready power. 120 hours of playback. That's up to 5 days of non-stop music. 5-minute quick charge equals 5 hours of playtime. Enough for a full commute, gig, or editing session in just the time it takes to make a cup of coffee. No interruptions, no waiting. Just go. Connectivity versatility. 1 headphone, 4 personalities. Bluetooth 5.2 mode. Fast pairing, better range, and rock-solid stability. Studio monitor mode, for precise, lossless audio over a wired connection. DJ adapter mode, plug directly into mixers and consoles. AUX mode, classic, no latency analog sound. Switch effortlessly and stay connected to your music. 180-degree rotating ear cups, perfect for DJs and single-ear monitoring. Soft protein, leather ear cushions. Breathable, plush, long session ready. Flexible metal headband, strong enough for stage wear, soft enough for all-day comfort. Noise isolating fit, cuts, distractions, amplifies focus. Whether you're DJing in Ibiza or editing in your studio, the StudioMax1 fits like it's made just for you. Honored at the Consumer Electronics Show 2025, StudioMax1 didn't just launch, it made waves. Its combination of innovation, design, and audio fidelity has earned praise from both tech reviewers and professional users worldwide. Priced at $169.99. Get 15% off. Code in description. You're not paying for hype. You're investing in real-world performance, pro-grade sound, and community-driven design. So if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more updates. This is MHD Tech. See you in our next video. Till then, peace out.